Hi, I'm Allie with Potomac Beads. Join me as I do the product unveiling and the launching for our newest Czech Glass beads, the PieDuo as well as the QuadBow bead, featured here in this necklace, and I'm going to show you how they wonderfully fit together and all the great things about their design. The first of these two really awesome new Czech Glass beads is the QuadBow. The QuadBow here, like in the Boardwalk Glam necklace, is a 4-holed bow-shaped bead. You can see the 4 holes here sit on the exterior of the piece, and it is flat on both sides. So there's no A side or B side to them, and they do have those 4 holes that run in the middle and then towards the outside of that bow shape. The QuadBows are a 6 by 13 millimeter bead that when put together form a circle. It took a lot of different manufacturing tries and a lot of different samples to make sure that we got it right and have it as easy to use as possible, even adding the addition of 2 extra holes to make it a quad 4-hole bead. The QuadBow is designed to sit exactly around the exterior, almost like a pie crust around the PieDuos. The PieDuos are the second shape that we're introducing in order to use them exactly together, or you can pull them apart and use them separately as I've done in some other examples. The PieDuo is a 2-hole bead, you can see here. It is a 2-hole bead that features holes running down through the exterior near what would be kind of that arch or that crust of the pie, and coming out 2 side by side on the actual point. They again are used in a conjunction of 4 beads to create that perfect pie shape. You can use these, which is wonderful, to have a nice circular shape without having to add an endless ring or something to establish the exterior. Like these porthole earrings here, you can see how they fit and work really, really nicely if you want to embellish them or even keep them simple together. Independently, they also work wonderfully. They're not just wonderful together, they work wonderfully independently if you want to frame out some beads, just like I showed also with that Boardwalk Glam necklace that I had on, that it can arch over, create a nice Art Deco look, even create a nice bail or bezel around the piece. You can also use the PieDuos to create 3-dimensional beading, to just add a nice exterior accent to the outside, or to even create and make a shape of their own. We're really excited to see and play with all the different designs that we've utilized here with our QuadBow and our PieDuo, again used in conjunction together or used separately to stand alone as pieces. We have tons of new designs coming to you using all of these different beads in conjunction with some of our other Potomac exclusives, and we're really excited to see how the beading community uses them and utilizes them in amazing ways. We are really excited and super pumped to bring these 2 new awesome Czech Glass shapes into the market as Potomac exclusives. Whether or not you're doing something grand or glamorous with them, or something really, really simple and even Art Deco, we're excited to see how these beads, the QuadBow as well as the PieDuo, are used in the beading world. Remember, if you do need to check them out, check out the links below to shop with us online at potomacbeads.com as well as potomacbeads.eu.